Hello student of class 8. Here is the chapter number 6. We have to start it. We have to go through it. The chapter number 6 is given as conservation of animals and plants. So what is the conservation given? Conservation, that means to prevention or to save or to make a manage, to control the population of plants and animals, to save the species of different kinds of animal and plants on this earth. As we know that there is a fabulous ecosystem present on the earth of a numerous intrinsic type of species of plants and animals to each other. And not only that, UN describe about 1.6 million, approximately 1.6 million. As you know that the UN decided or confirms that 13.6 million population of the plants and animal, with including to the microbes present on this earth. So you will have to just make a oath or to make sure that the species of such type of numerous kind would not have to be depleted or exhausted. So on that basis, here is you know very well, there are the ecosystem present on the earth, which include not only the plants and animals but also the some of the abiotic components as well as. So here is the some ways by which we can know about the exact population, whatever the number of population, and what is the involvement of the plants and animals present over there on the earth. Not only that, in which we have to study along with that the biodiversity. What it is? Biodiversity. What is the biodiversity stand for? Biodiversity means the diversity in a living bodies. That means whatever the kind of living bodies present on the earth, whatever they are diverted over there, they have to accumulate and known as the biodiversity. So biodiversity refers to the different type of plants and animals, and all living beings present on the earth, they are termed as a biodiversity. It includes the all life forms present. It includes the all life present on this particular earth. Where are they are a different type, it doesn't matter the different forms, but they are actually all the vital form of the earth present in all our surrounding, in our environment. So this is what actually the biodiversity is just referred to as biological diversity. Biological diversity, that means all the living bodies, all the living form that are present on our earth, they have to be accumulated or they have to be just referred to as a biodiversity. In other sense, we know about what will be the exact reason for losing or for depleting such type of species present on the earth. So we'll have to discuss on it. This one is the reason for the loss of biodiversity. What would be the exact reason by which the diversity is being lost? The reason for the loss of biodiversity. What was the reason? What was the exact reason by which the diversity is being depleted or being lost? In that concern, we have to know about very well. The first one is deforestation. Deforestation is the major cause. It is the major cause by which all living beings present on this earth that could not be survived more and more. Why? Because due to the lackness of their hibernate, due to lackness of their you can say the shelter, the living place, or the place where they can be able to survive and mate each other and to fertile or to produce their young ones. So this is the main reason, this is the main cause by which the diversity is going to be in the end of loss or to be the loss. The thing is deforestation, that means forestation, that means growing of a large extent of a plant. But here is deforestation refers to as, that is a detachment of such sentences or such activities. So here is deforestation stand for the loss of plant or the felling of a plants on a large scale. That is called as a deforestation. Deforestation means losing or losing of, or you can say the losing of the plants on a large scale, or felling of a tree on a large scale is referred to as a deforestation. Due to the loss of this such type of plants, trees, there is a home, shelter for those such type of plants and animals that can be survived. They can't they can't no more survive on such a place where there is no such type of a home or shelter is reserved. So this is the main reason by which the most type of plants and animal species can't be reached up to their nest station or up to their survival place. So in this concern we have to discuss the first topic, that is the deforestation, and what would be the causes of deforestation. इस डिफॉरेस्टेशन के कॉज क्या हो सकते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर इज you can say the urbanization. That means we'll have to move towards the next generation. That means move towards the technology and advancement. Due to moving to this technology and advancement, there is a need to be cutting off plants on a very large scale. So here is the forest tree are cut down to obtain the different type of modern type of industries, factories, as well as the new buildings or a different type of roads and building, whatever it is. Here is the first one in which there is a need of roads, buildings, companies, industries, etc., etc. There is different things. So due to which there is a falling of a tree takes place on that particular reason. Second one is the forest trees are falls for the obtaining land for cultivation. Felling of tree for cultivation. of a tree for cultivation. Next, is the obtain wood for making paper, for obtaining wood to make paper, furniture, windows, doors, etc. Next is to make wood, to obtain wood, for making fuel. And next, for obtaining wood for making body needs. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जहाँ पे हम समझ सकते हैं कि क्यों बार बार या हर बार या इसको कटिंग किया जाता है प्लांट को लार्ज स्केल पे। इसकी बहुत बड़े रीज़न है डिफॉरेस्टेशन होने का कि देयर इज़ अ number of needs that has to be completed. What are these? Forest is cutting down for what? For road, building, factories, and companies, etc., etc. For having wood as used as a furniture, paper, doors, etc., etc. Windows. Next, to obtain for making fuel, using as a fuel. These are the things by which the cutting of a tree takes place, that is cutting of a tree or deforestation is being done. So the first reason is deforestation. Loss of biodiversity. The reason of a loss of biodiversity is to what? First one is deforestation, and deforestation happens due to what? Due to such type of these